Bullish Dogecoin. Doge cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.291219 and $0.550080 by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach $0.226504 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.051772. Dogecoin. Doge presentation programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge as a joke, because of the then uncontrolled digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. All in all, how about we plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Doge, shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin. Doge works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. 1. A center of allies actually exchange Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, digital forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into course as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals and until all coins are given. So is the expansion rate. Dogecoin decentral examination. Its memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to organizations. In this manner, you can assess regardless of whether a digital money is worth the effort by leading a proper key examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the task. Basic examination is worried about deciding a resource's natural worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inner and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is presently no rush toward an claimed hard cap. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Thus, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system development. Despite the fact that its origin was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely practical money that can be utilized for regular uses. Dogecoin is at present worth $0.064715 United States dollars. Doge has moved 0.59% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $147,024,286. Dogecoin is at present positioned 8 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $9,232,576,215 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin. Doge. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogecoin, Doge, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Doge, the Doge cost figure for 2023, expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.097073. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous. However, no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.090601 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.077658. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.161788. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Doge's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.129431 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.142374. Dogecoin Doge value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.226504 and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.207089 and a low of $0.194146 in 2025. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2026. Assuming Dogecoin effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.291219 with a base cost of $0.258861 and a typical cost of $0.271804. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.336520 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.323577 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a greatest value worth of $0.355934. Dogecoin Doge value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.401235. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.420650. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.388292.